Besan.
আমার ইয়াতে সুরক্ষিত আছে
এটা আমারে ভালো বলাছ
হ্যাঁ বহুত ভিড় পাই যাব না
orang sana deh duplik lang yun
Ulang sir.
na
Yo. Anak keep trap dam na muझे.
oh punya bird watching ke arong bulo jam ko panda mang yo
bilang lele je kana ne bitung da ro
Kalengmaha. Watching Kalengmaha
yeah
in Umrukuti,
yes
West Karbenglong, 2022. Tenglong ma. Look at. Three. Watching Kalengmaha. Oh, look at. Watching Kalengmaha Falcon 2022. This is the real Kalengmaha. Watching Kalengmaha with Ong Ong. 1, 2, 3. Ong first time lang ma. Mataning kanong da bang werang.
this is my first time thank you
Did you know? Will you tell a brief
oi ampu
about Kalengmaha?
aku pen ito ka lang ni
What is this? Why this is so famous actually?
To be very honest, I'm not expert, but still then I am, learn from the reliable sources that this is a migratory bird and
Okay.
it comes once in a year.
Oh well, okay.
So from here they will again go to, I don't know, but they come all the way from
Siberia.
Siberia. That's all I know. But I love to be here because it's it's refreshing.
Oh yes.
We are getting relaxed here. So that's all I can say.
So
Come and visit next year. Those who are not coming this time.
are you confident that this bird we can see only here
I think so.
in Karbianglong?
Yes, in Karbiolong it is only here.
Amri, right?
Yeah, Umrukuti.
Umrukuti.
From here I think they goes to even to Umrangso also.
Umrangso as well.
Umrangso, yeah.
Okay.
Which is why they used to celebrate every year a Falcon festival.
Oh, I thought only they used to celebrate by taking the name of a falcon, but
No.
this also migrate there as well.
Yeah, they're also.
There also, right? Okay. Watching Kalengmaha. So this is the real sound of the falcon. Piket pen. Piket ating pen pati. Good. Yes, thank you.
Dito to Melo.
And
Dilitung adim-adim long lawan ile gamdang lasong